嚟到女人街啊！呢度咧寫住伸縮凳喎，排隊神器啊，檢測必備啊！This is very funny. It says this is the gold item for queuing up since like there are many people need to be queued up to get tested for COVID, and they may take like 3-4 hours or maybe even longer. That's why they need a chair like this they can carry around and use them when you need. 咁啊，女人街，哇！個市況可以話係慘不忍睹啊 ！Oh my God, the situation here is so bad. 而家係8點34分啊！咁啊，女人街 ，This is the Mong Kok Ladies Street. This is one of the most popular streets for tourists. And this street used to be one of the busiest streets in Hong Kong. But look at the status now. It is so horrible. Actually, I have visited this street like a few months ago. The situation wasn't good, but today it's really bad. This is the Soy Street. 豉油街嚟嘅，咁咪繼續行啦。古典全真皮，哇！呢度呢扎排檔做乜事啊？你話？哇！好差啊情況。哇！呢度又做乜嘢呢？完全吉晒，鋪頭都冇開。Here is totally empty, and even the restaurants besides are closed as well. 呢個咩粵興園啊？咁啊，難得有間再開，仲係開嘅。Solo 係一個蚊型嘅 shopping mall 嚟嘅。Solo is a tiny shopping mall. Oh my God！ 吉晒嘅。 我上次嚟嘅時候已經拍咗一段片叫做《消失的女人街》。咁我都同自己講就話希望可以遲少少喺佢嘅情況好啲嘅時候再嚟多次啦。點知個情況係比預計更加差。Last time when I visit this area, this street, I called the video name of the name of that video is the disappeared ladies street. What I try to mention is the situation was so bad. It's like the ladies street has been disappeared. But today, the situation is even worse. And this street used to be like they have endless working hours. Back to like some years ago, even like 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock, this street is still busy. But I think this never happens again. Oh my God. This is so sad, isn't it? 真係覺得好 sad 啊！哇！真係可以同女人街講拜拜啊！真係女人街 say goodbye。好啦，行返出嚟啦，咁女人街就完咗啦。呢個係亞皆老街。So this is the latest situation of Ladies Street。呢個就係女人街嘅最新情況啦。咁好似真係唔見咗咁樣，即係可能真係要同佢講句拜拜啊！好啦，咁我哋下段片再見啦。So thanks for watching. So please stick with me, and I will carry on walking to another main street of Mong Kok, and let's see the situation. Bye bye.